Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Doors. In today's video, I will show you how you can use a rank function in Excel or Google Sheet. So let's get started with the video. First of all, we need to understand why we need to use a rank function. So let's say we have a student name in column A, which is like a student 1, student 2. And in column B, we have their score like 94, 81 and 90. So now let's say I want to rank all these students based on their score. For that, we need to use a rank function. How to use the rank function? First, we have to type here equal to, then type rank, and then here the first argument is value. Value is nothing, just a score of that particular student. And then we have to press the comma. Then there is a second argument which is a data. Now we have to identify what is the rank of this 94 against this particular data. Then we have to simply press the F4 or lock the cell and then simply press the enter button. Now we have to simply drag and drop this particular formula. So now you can see we are getting a rank for all the student. So if we can see here, student 5 is having a rank as 1. However, student 6, 7 and student 4 is having a similar rank because they are having a same score. So hence it is showing the same rank. So this is how you can use a rank function in Excel and Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Doors. Thank you so much for watching.